Commercial Roofs of Texas, and I am on a rehabilitation center in San Antonio, Texas, and I want to show you, you've heard me talk about PVC and why it's better for your roofing membrane. Let me show you what I found up here. TPO, Firestone TPO roof. It was installed in 2014, and you can see it's pretty dirty, but what concerns me is this yellow streak right here. You can see those pipes to the air handler. That is copper, and the moisture is coming off the copper and it's getting onto the TPO. So you can see how the scrim is starting to show through there, where it's not on some of these other areas. Not a good thing. So if you go with PVC, PVC is much more impervious to any kind of chemicals or any kind of reaction like that. So when you're trying to decide between TPO and PVC, cheapest isn't always the best.